Good morning, my peoples. YouTube. We out here now at the truck, finishing up my pre-trip. We got 2 picks. We only doing picks today unless we can find another load. I got 2 picks, but everything getting dropped tomorrow. We going to we got to go down to Miami, pick up 5 pallets, and that's going to Plant City tomorrow. And then after that, I got to go pick up. I got to go down to the factory for the stormproof windows and doors and go grab a load from that, and then that's going to Tampa tomorrow. So we're gonna have a busy day tomorrow, productive day, good day to good way to end the week up being busy. And now I'm just hoping that tomorrow now we're just gonna try to find loads up that way, coming back down south. Probably most likely get delivered on Monday morning, but we're just gonna try to be busy as possible for tomorrow. Definitely don't want to drive back empty, but it's all good paying shit. But you know the plan is to never be empty, so that's what we're gonna shoot for. But that's about it, man. We out here, man. I'm gonna tap in with y'all, man. All right, y'all, we here. That was quick. About to back up to the dock now in a minute. All right, we down here now. We in Doral now. About to get loaded up in the truck now. 5 pallets. I think it's dry food. I'm not sure. I can't even remember what it is, but 5 pallets. There we go, y'all. 5 pallets. 2, 4, 5. About to get my BOLs and we out of there. Next stop. Just strap everything down. Stop 2. I don't know where we at. Not sure how much we're picking up, but see what we got.
Un año para cobrar, casi un año para cobrar.
Yes, sir. We loaded up. We out of there. I ain't got room for nothing else, so I'm gonna go park my damn truck and then we at it tomorrow morning. I'm gonna get on the road early. So I'm probably gonna head out by 6 a.m.